The U.S. Army has officially approved a new air and missile defense sensor for low-rate production, marking a significant step toward replacing its aging Patriot system. Known as the Lower-Tier Air and Missile Defense Sensor, LTAMDS, the next-generation radar is a vital upgrade to the U.S. Army's Patriot system, specifically designed to counter the growing complexity of modern aerial threats. Major General Frank Lozano, Program Executive Officer for Missiles and Space, recently said LTAMDS is a huge, significant capability. We anecdotally say it doubles legacy Patriot radar capability, and not only does it double it, it provides you 360-degree capability. This milestone comes on the heels of the U.S. Army's successful completion of a comprehensive flight test campaign, followed by the radar's approval under the Department of Defense's Major Capability Acquisition Milestone C. In this video, Defense Updates analyzes how LTAMDS would provide big boost to Patriot Air Defense System. Before we proceed, a word on NordVPN, which is one of the most trusted and fastest VPN brand that has a no-log policy validated by Deloitte. NordVPN provides a 256-bit encrypted tunnel that protects your privacy and also enables you to access contents that are blocked based on geolocation. Its threat protection system helps you avoid phishing, scams, and malware. NordVPN application is available for all the major platforms as well as browsers. Get an exclusive NordVPN deal with massive saving by going to nordvpn.com/defense or clicking the link in the description. It's risk-free with Nord's 30-day money-back guarantee. On September 14, 2019, facilities belonging to Saudi Arabia's state-owned oil company, Aramco, in the eastern part of the country, were attacked by 18 drones and 7 missiles launched from multiple directions. The assault targeted 2 critical sites, the world's largest oil processing facility near Abqaiq and a refinery near Khurais, home to the kingdom's second-largest oil field. These strategically vital installations were protected by a layered air defense system. The outer defense layer consisted of U.S.-supplied Patriot PAC-2 surface-to-air missile batteries intended to intercept incoming aircraft and missiles. Closer to the facilities, a network of short-range automatic gun systems served as the final line of defense. The Patriot system failed to detect or respond in time to the incoming threats, and the gun systems fired sporadically without successfully neutralizing them. The attack caused a disruption in the production of 5.7 million barrels of oil per day, roughly half of Saudi Arabia's total output. The incident highlighted a critical vulnerability in the Patriot system and underscored the urgent need for a next-generation sensor capable of providing full 360-degree coverage. Another key issue is that the existing radar in Patriot ANMPQ 53/65 cannot fully support the extended kinematic range of the Patriot Advanced Capability 3 Missile Segment Enhancement PAC-3 MSE missile. For more than 15 years, the U.S. Army has been pursuing efforts to modernize its aging Patriot air and missile defense system. While the original plan involved a competition to create a completely new system, the strategy was later revised to focus on separately developing an advanced command and control system and a next-generation radar. LTAMDS is a state-of-the-art 360-degree multi-mission sensor designed with advanced modularity, interoperability, and cross-functional capabilities. It is the first radar specifically built for integration into the U.S. Army's Integrated Air and Missile Defense System (IAMDS), offering robust protection against advanced threats such as tactical ballistic missiles, cruise missiles, and enemy aircraft. Expected to serve as a cornerstone of the Army's future IAMDS architecture, LTAMDS is engineered to detect and track fast, maneuvering targets, and deliver accurate data to the broader air defense network. What sets LTAMDS apart from competing systems is its ability to provide uninterrupted 360-degree situational awareness on the battlefield, along with significantly extended detection ranges compared to current generation air defense radars. LTAMDS is an AESA, active electronically scanned array radar. It achieves 360-degree detection by having multiple radar panels. There is a large main radar array on the front of the trailer that folds down to resemble a normal trailer for an 18-wheeler. On the back of the trailer, there are two smaller fold-down radar arrays that face out to the right and left at an angle. The sectors of these three arrays, being overlapping, provide 360-degree coverage. This allows continuous all-around surveillance and target tracking without the need to physically reposition the radar or rely on additional sensors. The older Patriot radar used a single, forward-facing AESA array with limited angular coverage. As per Raytheon, the primary array is about the same size as the array for the Patriot Air and Missile Defense System, but it has more than twice the power. According to Doug Burgess, Senior Director of Ground-Based Integrated Air and Missile Defense Capabilities at Raytheon, one of the secondary arrays has more capability than the current Patriot radar. LTAMDS uses C-band radar for its primary mission, but is not restricted to that only. It uses S-band and X-band frequencies for missile communication to include target acquisition through deep surveillance. The S-band frequency is ideal for surveillance and target acquisition, while the X-band frequency provides data for discrimination and fire control. Importantly, LTAMDS uses gallium nitride (GaN) technology instead of gallium arsenide gas. One significant advantage of GaN-based transmitters, in addition to their increased signal strength and sensitivity, is that the LTAMDS won't require recertification during its operational lifespan. GaN also offers the benefit of greater energy efficiency, generating less heat compared to gas. While the exact range and altitude detection figures for LTAMDS remain classified, the system is widely understood to significantly outperform the Patriot radar, which offered detection ranges up to 100 miles or 160 kilometers. The U.S. Army's initial low-rate production batch will include approximately 10 LTAMDS radars, with plans to produce a total of 94 units throughout the program's duration. In parallel, Raytheon will manufacture 12 additional radars for Poland, the system's first international customer. At present, it takes around 40 months to complete an LTAMDS unit on the production line. However, the Army, in collaboration with Raytheon and a contracted consulting firm, is actively working to streamline supply chain operations and reduce the production timeline to 36 months. LTAMDS entering production is very much needed since range and sophistication of aerial threats is increasing at a rapid pace. It will significantly enhance the sensing capabilities of Patriot missile battalions, allowing them to detect threats at greater distances, increase reaction time, and provide vastly improved directional coverage. LTAMDS full 360-degree surveillance capability also offers strategic advantages. By reducing the number of launchers and radars needed to defend a given area, integrated air defense networks can be established more efficiently. This allows Patriot units to be dispersed across a wider operational area, increasing their coverage and making the formation more resilient to precision strikes from adversaries. Overall, LTAMDS marks a major upgrade to the Patriot Air Defense System, equipping it to more effectively counter the rapidly evolving landscape of modern aerial threats.